Welcome to Old Man Wisdom, everyone in YouTube world. It's nice to see you again. Just a very short video. It's part 2 of Forex training or Forex tuition, mainly for beginners, but of course everyone can benefit from reminders such as this. So we're really only going over 3 points today. The first one is how to open and close a trade on your MT4 platform. The second one is how to set your stop loss and take profit. And the third point we're going to cover is how to add standard indicators as well as your custom indicators onto the MT4 platform, all done on the computer. So let's just go over to the chart and get started. So here we are on the chart. This is the pound USD 1 hour chart. Quite a standard thing that you will see on your MT4 computer, on the MT4 app. So first thing then, opening and closing a trade. Now there are a few ways of doing this. You can go up to new order and either sell or buy. If you were to click one of these right now, you would literally be selling or buying the market at the point the chart shows right now. So we could click buy right now and it would buy. We're going to go into a little bit later on another video about pending orders, but for now we're just looking at how to quickly buy and sell the market. So if we was to buy the market here, you see the green line down here, and it even tells you over here you're buying at 0.05 lots, and here is your order number as well. Now if you wanted to close this trade, again there are a couple of ways of doing it. You could click the terminal button here and it would bring up all kinds of information: your equity, your margin, your free margin, and your margin level, of course your balance as well. If you wanted to close this, you could select here and right click and literally close order. What you can't see on the screen is at the far end of this, but there is a little cross where you can literally close the trade. The other way to open and close a trade is quite simple. We'll just close this terminal for the moment. Is to right click on one click trading here, and you can see you've got the option. You can change the trading amount and you can click buy or sell, and you can right click again and remove the one click trading. We haven't quite finished here. We're going to zoom in, and this is your green line. So the nice simple way to set a take profit and a stop loss would be you can literally drag this line up or down. You see it says drag to modify. Obviously if you drag and click above the line, you will be setting your take profit, and if you drag and click below the line, you will set your stop loss. So let's just do that very quickly. You see, notice here, we're going to drag the line up to here, and let's just say we set it at well, you can then dwell on it over the line here, and it tells you that if the price reaches this level, you're going to make 40 USD, or near enough, and it's near enough 80 pips. So now if you go back to your open trade here and drag it down, again you'll be, even in real time, you'll see the pips and the price that you're risking. So you could set it to there, and you would be risking nearly 20 USD and nearly 40 pips to make nearly 80 pips and 40 USD. So you'd be risking 20 USD or nearly 20 USD. So like a 2-to-1 ratio there. And it's nice and easy. You can literally just drag it to the point that you want and let it to play out. Now if you wanted to close the trade, you could obviously do it via the terminal window, or you can literally right click, and you notice here that you can close the trade. You can modify it by changing the take profit and the stop loss, and you can set trailing stops, which we'll talk about again in another video. So you would quite simply right click and click close to close the trade. So it's as simple as that. We'll do that now, and there you go, the trade has been closed. So we've talked about opening and closing trades, setting your stop loss and take profit. The other thing I was going to discuss with you today is adding the standard indicators that come with MT4. This is your indicator list here. So here is your indicator list, and you would quite simply go down and choose your custom indicators here. MACD is obviously a favorite. You can click OK, and then you've added your MACD indicator. You will find in this list your custom indicators here. So these are the ones that maybe you've downloaded, for example, from my website. You've popped it in the indicator folder, and then you can add it to the chart like so, and there's the arrow added. Again, it's very straightforward, but the more you practice, the more that you'll find this easy to add and obviously take away. If you wanted to take away these indicators, again, there's several ways of doing it. You could right click here and delete the indicator, or you can right click on a blank bit of chart and go to your indicators list, and here you could select the indicator you don't want and remove it. It's as simple as that. So 3 quick things that we've discussed today is opening and closing a trade, setting your stop loss and take profit, and adding the standard and custom indicators and taking them away from your chart. So hopefully you've enjoyed this quick tutorial today, and be sure to tune in for future videos and indicator download videos that I'm soon to post. There's going to be some exciting news ahead. Comment below if you'd like me to discuss anything else MT4 or MT5 related, and until next time, take care, and I'll see you soon.